See the little Allen right here?
That thingy?
Yep, put it in there.
Oh, I loosen it?
Yep, crack it loose, but don't take it out all the way because you're gonna get covered in oil.
It's hard.
Okay, see how it starts dripping?
Yeah.
Pull this out. Push the button and pull it out. Yep, push that in and pull the ratchet out.
Trying. Oh gosh. I got covered in oil.
Grab this. See this knurling here?
Yeah.
That's so you can hang on to it. I'll put it back in there and you gotta unscrew it by hand. You're gonna get covered in oil, but you gotta go kind of quick. Okay, hurry up and let it drop out. There you go.
My hands are covered in oil.
Stop! Damn it. Lost the washer. It's fine, I'll get it. I got new ones.
Oh.
Take this, let go. Don't get the rag in there. See, you got it. You didn't make too big of a mess. You covered my extension full of oil, but you didn't make too big of a mess. Open that bag. Take the new washer out. It's just a plastic bag. It's not childproof.
Apparently it is.
Here, grab the washer, grab the bag, and tear it in half. Get it open.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Okay.
It took me years.
It's a new one on here. Hold on to this.
Give me garbage.
Don't let the washer fall. Put this onto your bolt. And then you always start them by hand. It's gonna drip on you a little bit. Just put it up there. Other way.
Oh, righty tighty. I thought it'd be a rubber thing.
Some are. This one's not.
It's copper.
Okay. Pull the extension out. Here. Now you gotta put the ratchet on it. And I already turned it the right way. Gotta push down there. Now you gotta put it up there and tighten it. Normally you would torque it. You don't need to kill it, but I'll check it. Put it in there.
That's
then-
left in uses.
Yep, so hold here as you push here to tighten it so you don't like slip off. No.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's supposed to be hard. You're tightening it. Okay, here. Let me make sure it's tight. That's good. Alright. So that's tight. Now, grab a rag. Wipe off the excess oil around there too. Like dribbling. So we got that. Now we got to go up top to get the filter. Get behind it.
There's no hole.
Hurry up. Okay, there's that one. We'll put these corner ones in.
Can I get one?
Is that a screw or is that? Yeah, that one's a screw. This one's plastic.
Can I get one?
That goes in this corner here. Yeah. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. This one is the other metal plastic one in that corner. Yep. This one looks like it had a bolt in it. Probably.
I got it.
Where's the impact? This is called the impact driver. But we'll see. Alright, so now before we can put the next one in, we gotta grab this back one. Okay, see how there's a clip here and here?
Yeah.
These two, these are what the bolts go into. This one's missing one, I guess. The oil run everywhere. Grab 2 gallons.
Does oil leak?
It's a diesel. It leaks everywhere. No matter what. I don't have time to go through and fix them over here right now. Hold on, you're not going to tighten it yet. So this part, you got to make sure you get everything lined up before you go and tighten it down. So what I'm doing is I'm putting these in my hand, kind of get them somewhat going, and then I think there's a piece that goes up in the middle. Either here or over there, I don't remember. Don't tighten it yet.
See a live cicada bug?
That.
A live cicada, one of those that come out of the shell? Yeah. It's over by our campground. You can't, I have it on my phone, but here, I'll show you.
The bolts have a little sticker on them that says Milwaukee.
Huh?
These things have a little.
Yeah, because those are the brands, the ones I bought.
Isn't that cool?
More. I need this one back.
This is the shell.
Put this guy over here. Alright, hit these two first.
Back there.
Back there. Yeah, don't. Alright, take this.
I'm getting it covered.
See that green O-ring?
Yeah.
You gotta change that every time. So use that to kind of work it off, stretch it out. In the pan. Now when you put it on, you don't use the pick because you don't want to wreck the O-ring. Taking it off doesn't matter. And then make sure you push it all the way down to the big opening. Yep.
I do this with custom, I can't say.
Hold on. Is that on there right?
I think so.
Okay. So now the fun part. Now you gotta put that one on. That side. Yep, there you go. Hold on, careful. Hey, pushing it. You don't want to break this off. So put your hand around it like this. So you don't bust that little tab off because it's got to sit down in there.
It's crooked.
It wiggles. So now that's one way. Or the other way. Yeah, because remember it has to pop in. All right. Here, you can use this and do it by hand. Switch directions on the drive. Put it on. Now this one you don't need to kill. I'll show you how to tighten that one down. Stop. Remember you got to support the top. See how it wiggles like that? So you want to support this. Now you're going to turn it just slowly. You're not going to do a lot of tension. Feel how it gets hard? Okay, that's good. That's it. That's it. Just needs a little snug because there's an O-ring. It'll seat itself. That's where you add the oil. Just, you know how to unscrew it? Other way. Yep. Ready, tighty, lefty, loosey. And then pull it off. Set it down right there. Put in our funnel. Now the thing too is you can't dump it too fast because it'll start to fill up the funnel. Okay, you can go a little because the funnel will hold some too, and then you can lift it up so it doesn't get stuck in there. Keep going. I'm gonna take that whole one, and then I'll do the second one because you won't use all of it. This thing takes like 8.5 quarts. There's one. Okay, now you're getting close. Did you wipe it off before you put it back? No? That's okay. Where you at? You're
Almost on max.
Well, you don't want to be on max. You want to be in the middle between the two. So that would be perfect. But what we're going to do is probably start it, let it run through the system, and then check it. Because it's going to drop down a little bit as soon as that filter gets filled with oil.
Do you want me to knock this off?
No, just put it back in for now. Okay, so I'll take this out.
Can I start the car?
Yeah, you get to. Hold on. Let's put this back in for now. That's garbage. Okay, now that you ran it, hold this. Pull that out, wipe it off. Make sure it's nice and clean. You can wipe it off with the rag as you pull it out too. Wipe the end off. Because now all the oil will settle back down and you want to check it and see where it's at. So now put that back in there. Okay, see how much it dropped? It's pretty much right here on the minimum. So anytime you're on the minimum, you're going to be about a half quart to a quart off. So we're going to add a little bit more and then check it again. Okay, put it back in, check it again.
It's like almost halfway.
Okay, so you just need to focus here. You're almost halfway, so you're like, that was a half a quart, so we could put another half a quart.
What just farted?
It has electronics that moves. Alright, put it back in. Should be the last time.
It better be. Oh, go swimming. Take a nice front flip off the diving board. Oh yeah, that's halfway. Or a little bit more than halfway.
You're halfway. You're good.
It's a little bit more halfway. But
Put it back in. You don't have to wipe it off. You're just going to put it in and leave it
I
in.
want to wipe it off. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. We'll take this out.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Hello.
Tighten. Click. Cool. Now, grab the cover right there. See how it lines up? You kind of feel it in the holes. Now you just give it a push. This side won't because of the aftermarket exhaust. But that's it. Complete oil change. Give me a high five. Good job.
I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride.